Kevin Durant. Klay Thompson. Three-point field goal. Klay Thompson. Foul call number 11, Klay Thompson. His first, team's first. Three-point field goal, Klay Thompson. Foul called on Justin Holiday. His first, team's first. Three-point field goal, Klay Thompson. Foul called on number 15, Damian Jones, his second, third team foul. Checking in for the Bulls, number 2, Jabari Parker. Zach LaVine. Three-point field goal, Zach LaVine.
Nobody feels better than Klay. He's already got 22 in the first.
Struggling with his shot, but tonight he's right on time. 4 and 5 from the three-point line.
He's on a foul. A foul on Chandler. Embarrassing Klay Thompson again. He rains down another mid-range jumper.
I'll tell you what, these shooters for Golden State, you cannot come
Klay missing that three. Klay inside for the rebound. Just dribbles into a three and buries another one. Well, how about 5 in the game? Klay Thompson again. Make it 6 of 7. Matter of time. Everybody that knows the Dubs knew it.
going to come right to the three-point line and get separation. Go ahead and roll it. With Klay Thompson, you cannot do this. See him trying to shoot the gap there. It gets beat. Wide open three for Klay Thompson. You've got to keep yourself married to Klay Thompson.
In that manner by Stephen Curry.
There's the foul. It'll put Hutchinson on the Diacono out of Villanova trying to stay with Steph.
Repko, it's nice to have a 4-man that can hit a three, so they've got to come out on it.
How about McKinney hitting a corner three? Oh, KD, how did he make that? Absolute corkscrew, plus the foul.
The athleticism and get a little shot. Oh, it's slipped out of his hands.
Shot clock at 1. Jerebko beat the buzzer, and he got it!
As I said, a 4 that can shoot threes.
Welcome to the Warriors Part 2.
Nowitzki.
McKinney again. First it was Klay. It's Alfonso McKinney raining threes.
Against Brooklyn, because Brooklyn knocked in 20.
But I think, as we've talked about, look at the Warriors shooting from 2 points. Draymond cycling around. Klay Thompson.
Now, the Bulls knew where the pass was going. They just couldn't get there quite in time when they saw Thompson.
Klay Thompson again.
Oh, my. 8 of 9. He's going to miss one. 3, 10 of 11 overall.
You watch him score 60 in 3 quarters, 37 in a quarter, the NBA record.
Oh, he had his back turned.
Yeah, LaVine right to the rim. He does not look as young as he is. Klay finally missed one long. Helped Michael Smith. And Klay in the corner again. The Chicago fans are getting treated as something Warrior fans almost take for granted. Klay Thompson, and then Klay with a steal. Push ahead KD, all the way to the iron, and rolled it out.
I don't know why he didn't dunk it. He probably wonders the same thing.
Bulls counterattack, and Jordan Bell with the foul.
McKinney's 4 for 4 for 3.
Yes.
Let's find McKinney.
Klay Thompson again, and off iron.
Well, you got to be somewhat human.
Tulsa, he was undrafted, and a deep 2. I like Carter's game. That one going off of the left hand.
Well, he averaged as a freshman. Curry going to get that a 3-point play. Yeah, Carter is. He just came off a double.
And DeMarcus has embraced that role. And Klay Thompson just tied the NBA record for 3.5.
Be a team, it'd be nice for him to play on.
So will Klay break the record? Steph Curry, an easy layup. Are the Warriors going to get 90 and a half?
No.
And Clay to the line.
He finally gets to the line. Bobby hadn't shot a free throw all night. What a display. I mean, really.
Clay hit behind Steph.
Klay Thompson in the first half.
Pretty good defense by Harrison. A step back. And the Bulls come up with a stop. It's a pretty good save, but Clay was there.
On an up fake.
Steph Curry. Well, can they get 90? They did. So the highest scoring half in NBA history for the Warriors is the 90. Bean having it knocked away.
He's got
2
time.
seconds left. Clay.
They're going to call a carry here.
He's called for a double dribble as he collected
man.
that ball.
Michael. Talk about Michael Smith, the official. Here we go.
Those are a lot of numbers in that first half. Clay wanted that 3. Holiday was aware of it. Klay Thompson in the mid-range.
Clay's mom is in the house tonight, too.
Oh, that's nice.
I'm sure he did.
Okay.
The Pelicans play the Warriors. It's one of your favorite words, Jim. I was being facetious.
Oh, yeah, good. Well, Thompson and Damian Jones came together and they cracked heads.
Oh, Durant. Shot clock was at 2, so he just threw in a 35-footer.
In stride. I don't think Clay will come out until he gets 40, and I think he has. Yes.
Klay Thompson.
He's got 41.
So they will tend to Clay. If you're just getting home from work or just flip the game on, the Warriors scored 92 in the first half. And Klay Thompson fully came out of his slump.
And they'll clear that up.
Yeah, Holiday said, I know you're going to shoot that. Let me block that. And Clay's got another one.
Well, he got his rhythm back.
Well, he's 1 away from the record. He's 1 away from the record. The NBA record is Steph's 13 threes. Clay has 12 of 17. And Clay with 12 right now. Step back 3. Out front iron.
That was well defended.
Catch and shoot 3. There it is. He's tied Steph. 13 threes.
Well, it's only right that Stephen got the assist to tie.
Payne to the line.
Last year,
they absolutely
won,
are.
when they won 58.
For the record. Oh, and Steph is jumping up and down. He wants Clay to get it.
Yes, he does.
Unique ability to play together.
Oh, my.
Feet set. Oh, he's had 2 chances at it. Are they going to look for Clay again? He steps into it. Another 3. No, that went offline. Shot clock at 4.
I think they're looking for him to get 50 also.
Well, there's 49. They're not going to play a minute in the 4th.
I think he's missed 4 in
Might
a
be
row.
really appropriate. For NBA history, he got it! 14 threes in a game. Has never been done until tonight. This man came into the game 5 of 36 on threes. He's gone 14 of 24, 52 in the game, and the NBA record.
He did it in just under 26 minutes.
Klay Thompson.
Those numbers.
14 threes.
So you don't know, I gave him double knuckles before the game for the first time this year. And I did it for that reason.
149 to 124. Steve Kerr comes back to the town where he won 3 of his rings.